Mataba nga. Ay, nahirapan na sa katawan ko sa kataba ko. Ano ba yan? Next time vlog, thank you so much. Ganyan talaga pag mga lola na. Mahirap magpapayat. Hirap magpapayat. Kaya wag kayong magpapataba kasi mahirapan kayong magpapayat. Somewhere down the road. Next time, Vlog Official, thank you so much. So next time lang. I will watch your video next time lang. Two months ago, you don't have 6 people. Ay, 3 people na lang pala. Akala ko 6 pa sila. Thank you so much. Ay, naku. Huwag ko nga itapat sa akin yung Ano oras na ba dyan dito? It's 3:34 p.m. (3:34 p.m. na dito. Hapon dito, hapon. Sa inyo, morning, di ba? Opposite tayo. Hindi ka pala lunch. Hindi pa. Kumain ako ng 2 tinapay. Binigyan ako kahapon ng kaibigan kong 2 bread. Kinain ko yung 2 bread. Pag naputol to, bahala ka dyan. My place is cold. Now here also it's cold. Getting cold now here. What is this mango? Yan. Parang gusto kong kumain ng mangga. Here it's cool. I saw your mango, next time vlog. You are eating mango. I feel I want to eat mango. Nawala na si Ayus. Ayus, you leave me already. You left. Where are you? It's yummy mango. Tigakchu, minakuchaan, chok. You are from Indonesia next time vlog, right? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Here also like only 1 hour I will